Hello YouTube, this is yet another update with the edited front plate that will be carbon fiber, of course, with the slit on the bottom, which will be used as an optical indicator also. And I added some screens to the multi-screen code. So this is the first one, which shows the 4 values, and then you have large speed, RPM, which you can see now, 1200. You got the LED. This is, of course, I put it on a low RPM value on purpose. I don't want to rev the car up to 6000 RPM in here. As you can see, this is pretty. Oops, I got to the sensor, so it lights up, and this is just a 0805 LED. It will be 3535 neopixel on the newly made PCBs, so it will be much brighter, and you will be able to change the colors as you like. It has the touch sensor on the top, water, throttle, intake air, ambient air. This is the gear indicator. It shows the RPM here, speed, and then the gear, obviously. And then you have a screen that you can turn off. The unit is still powered on, just the display is off. And if you push it again, you get the screen. This code does remember the last screen, so even if you turn off the power, it will come on the last screen that was displayed before. And this is about the size it's gonna be, so pretty small. Anyhow, this was just an update. I did order the carbon fiber parts finally, and I should be able to get them in about 2 weeks. So now the countdown begins. As soon as I have the carbon fiber parts, I will put it up on Indiegogo and hopefully get 1 million orders. Joke. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and if you like it, please spread the word. Thank you. Take care.